everyone, I'm Ritesh Moore, Edubridge Master Trainer, and in this video, we'll discuss about the introduction of Python. So Python is high-level programming language. What's the mean of high level? High level in the sense, as a normal human beings, we understand English, Hindi, this kind of languages, and a computer understand only a binary. So we need a translator. If any programming language which need a translator is called as a high-level programming language. So Python is high-level programming language. Second, Python is interpreter programming language. So what's the mean of interpreter? Interpreter in the sense, programming needs a translator, and that translator is called as normally compiler, because the main work of the compiler to convert your source code into bytecode. So obviously Python also need to convert your source code into bytecode. But Python is Python has one features where one directly attached with virtual environment library, where we don't need to take care about the data type. If you don't need to take care about the data type, it means we don't need to compile separately, we don't need to run separately. It directly run the program. So this process is done by the interpreter. That complete cover up is called as an interpreter. Third one is dynamic type language. So why Python is a dynamic type language? Because it automatically converting the data type. We don't need to mention the data type separately. In case if you're writing A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7. So A is an integer data type, but you're not mentioning. It automatically mentioned there. So that's why it's called as a dynamic data type. Dynamic type language. Fourth one, Python is portable programming language. Why it's a portable? Because if you have a different operating systems, for example, I'm using a Windows, your friend is using a Mac, and I'm writing some code on a Python, my Python interface, your friend is also need your code. The time you don't need to change the setting. Your code can also be used by your friend PC as well. So that's why its process is called as a portable process. Yeah, we can say Python is a portable programming language. Python is also accepting object-oriented features. So object-oriented is a very important concept. Even I'll make a separate video for it because it's a very big concept is here, where we're dividing our project into class and object format. And Python is also accepting the extensibility features. Extensibility feature in the sense, if you have some program on a C++ on a Java, want to write in a Python? Yes, Python is also giving the facility to write the Java code or C++ code in a Python. So this kind of facility is called as a extensible features. Python is free and open source programming language because Python comes under the Python Foundation. So it's a non-profit organization. So here you don't need to pay anything. So that's why Python is free and open source. That's it all about the Python. So Python is nothing but Python is high level, interpreted, dynamic, and give the portable features. It supports the object oriented extensibility features. It's a free and open source. If you like this video, just give the thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and see you in the next videos.